My name is Diane Latiker. My community is called Roseland in the far south side of Chicago. Our community is just not thriving. The businesses, they leave because of crime, and crime grows because there are no businesses. I wanted a safe space for young people to expand their knowledge and to belong to something that's good. Aisha, my youngest daughter, she was 13 years old, and I found out that the gangs were recruiting the boys and they were failing in school. One day, I just let them into my house. That blossomed into Kids Off the Block. Kids Off the Block's mission is to provide at-risk, low-income youth positive alternatives to gangs, violence, drugs, truancy, and the juvenile justice system. We started a mentoring program. We started a tutoring program. We started a sports program.
What I learned from Kids Off the Block is to be a pillar of my community and a leader. It made a huge difference, actually.
Hey, Miss Diane. Hey, y'all. Come on in here. I heard about Ring 6 years ago. I think the similarities between Ring and Kids Off the Block is that we both want to keep people safe.
The community wants to be better. It's just they don't have as much resources as we need to do better.
Ring made a donation to Kids Off the Block. That's going to help with our technology center. We'll be able to serve 250 to 300 students per year. We want to give them career skills where they can go anywhere and get a good job. And they wanted to bring 1,000 Ring doorbells to my community. What they did was they gave a sense of security to 1,000 residents.
Our mission here at Ring is to make neighborhoods safer. It's really important to us to listen and to learn from community leaders like Diane, who really understands how best to serve the community in which she lives. And we have a shared desire to make communities better together.
This Ring doorbell has been fantastic. If somebody has passed by my house, I can see who it is. I love it.
Back in my day, we had the Neighborhood Watch. The Neighbors app brings that sense of community back.
I hope the donation of the doorbells will give everyone a sense that there's people who just care.